Welcome guys, here's a second video for the week, but it'll be a little bit shorter. It helps. We're looking at adding polynomials. So adding polynomials, basically we're going to take those ones we sort of saw in the last one and just combine them and simplify them down. So overall, the process will be the same for adding polynomials, this little process. So you're going to combine like terms. So those are going to be the same, any terms that are of this have the same variable powers, same degrees. And then we're going to simplify. And then right answer. So it's a nice little three-step process, not too bad, hopefully. So let's do some examples I think will really help. All right, so we got, here's our example 1, 6x plus 2 plus 3x. So remember, the first thing is combine like terms. And right now I don't see anything I can combine inside there. So I'm going to take out the parentheses. So remember, it's a plus sign in front of this. So basically, remember, it's like plus 1. So it doesn't change anything inside. The sign stayed the same. So you pull out the parentheses, 6x plus 2 plus 3x. Now see, there is two variables. There's a 6x and a 3x. And those will combine because they're the same variable type. So it's basically 6 plus 3 gives you 9x. And I like to do is sort of cross them off as I use them, so I know they're gone. The only thing left is this term plus 2. And there is your answer. It's 9x plus 2. Let's get another example. We have 9y plus 3 plus y to the third plus y squared plus y, all that good stuff. All right. So we're going to have a lot of different variable powers, a lot of different degrees, and you always want to write standard form at the end. So because these are all positives outside parentheses, I can just pull them out without changing the signs inside. Squared plus y. Okay, good. And then what we got now is we're going to combine like terms. I'm just going to start at the highest degree first. So my highest degree is this term, because it's got y to the third, so I'm going to put him out front. And I just used them up, so I crossed them off. And then look for the next highest y. Is this one right here. It's got y raised to the second power, and it's a positive. So it's used up. And then next lowest degree, it's just y without any number there. So we got that term plus that term. So that is going to be plus 9y plus y, which gives us 9 plus 1, right? Because remember that if there's no number in front of a variable, you can assume it's a 1. So 9 plus 1 gives us 10y, and those are gone. And the last one is this little constant, the number 3. And it's in standard form, so we're good to go. Example, we got 9z squared minus 4z plus 6 plus 2z squared plus 5z minus 10. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the parentheses, and because I look inside them, there's nothing I can combine. So within the parentheses, there's no like terms that I could combine. So I'm just going to bring them out. We got 9z squared minus 4z plus 6 plus 2z squared plus 5z minus 10. All right. So now I can start combining like terms because they're out in the open. We could do that. And I'm basically going to look for the highest degree first. So the highest degree I see is squared. Nothing else is higher than the 2. So we take that term, so it's 9, and we see a second term here with the same degree of 2. So we're 9 plus 2 gives us 11z squared. So 9 plus 2, that's used up. And then next to one we have this term, because z there, raised to the first power. This one raised to the first. So what we have is minus 4z plus 5z. So, or another way if you like it, is you could always rewrite it as basically put the positive first if you like, since it's bigger, plus 5z minus 4z. And so now we're down to basically, since they're the same degree or same term like, we can just basically do 5 minus 4, which positive 5 minus 4 gives us plus 1z. Or if you like, you can just put z, because you can assume there's a 1 in front. And those are gone. It's used up. So last we have 6 minus 10. So it's plus 6 minus 10. And basically going to lose it because it's going to be negative, because negative is a bigger number. So it's plus 6 minus 10 gives us minus 4. There's your final answer in standard form. So always start at the biggest degree first and work your way down. All right, got one more example. 5y to the 3 minus 2y to the 2 minus y plus 4y to the 2 plus y. And I look inside them, I don't see any like terms inside them, and so I can't combine within parentheses. So, but they're positive on the outside, so I can just pull them all out. So 5y cubed to the 3 minus 2y squared minus y plus 4y squared plus y. So the signs don't change inside because everything outside the parentheses is positive. If it's not shown, you assume it's positive. So now I look for the highest degree. So I look for the highest degree overall between them. I see that one has most because y raised to the 3rd power. And I don't see any other y is raised to a 3, so he gets to be out front. And it's gone, it's used. Then we have minus 2y squared plus 4y squared. And you can always do it in a calculator too. Minus 2 plus 4, because the power or the variable has the same degree, so you can combine them. So it's going to be plus 2y squared, because we got 4, positive 4 minus 2 gives us positive 2 in the variable y squared. And last but not least, we have these two terms. We have a minus y plus y. So it's basically it's the same opposite, right? So it's like if you're doing minus 1 plus 1, it results in 0. Same thing for variables. It's minus y plus y, but together that equals 0. So our final answer, 5y to the 3 plus 2y squared, and that's your final answer. And we'll definitely do some more practice. This one's one of those things you do a lot of practice with just to feel good about. But you always start with the looking to see if there's anything to combine inside. So if you combine any like terms within, and then if not, since we're adding these two polynomials, we could pull the parentheses out, and then we can combine the like terms or the variables with the same degrees first, like we've been doing, and rewrite them in standard form by putting the highest degree first, and then count down from there in the power of degrees. Good job, guys. Do let me know if you have any questions, any concerns. And as always, I'm happy to help.